In today's video, I'm going to show you how to safely remove your lashes from home. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. Here are the video chapters for you to reference, and we're just going to hop right in. These are the products that you're going to need to remove your lashes at home. You're going to need some coconut oil. Next, you're going to need makeup wipes. From there, you can also have these. These are also like a style of a cleansing pad makeup wipe here as well. Then you're going to need some form of an eyelash wash. This is a gel cleanser right here. Make sure you have yourself a mirror. Then you're going to need some type of applicators. These are some lip brushes. You can get these off of Amazon. I also have this dual makeup brush here where we have a spoolie on one side and then we also have a brush style on this side. These come in the application kit that I offer. Here's an image of the application kit that I offer. You also want some form of a towel just in case, and a fan. I'll put everything in the description box for you down below. We're up close and personal. Y'all all up in my business. I have the coconut oil right here and I got myself 2 applicators. You're gonna use 1 or 2 just to apply it onto your lashes. So I'm just gonna take this into the coconut oil. So I took this into the coconut oil. I have a decent amount of it and I'm going to start applying it. I'm going to use this side of the applicator to hold my lashes down like so, and then I'm going to take this to the top. All right, do this in the mirror. It'll make your life so much easier because then you'll be able to see. You want to keep your eye closed. Don't have your eye open. Now last night I had makeup on, so you will see some makeup residue because I purposely did not wash my lashes. I did this because I wanted this video to be as realistic as possible because a lot of people don't wash their lashes, which is gross. There should be some form of a lash maintenance and lash care routine. So this is the reality of what is being done out here, and we can't keep doing that. Okay, so I got a generous amount of that coconut oil on my eye, and I'm going to just allow it to marinate into breaking down the lash adhesive. This is a safe at home removal. All right, you don't want to do a removal that's not safe. Now, makeup wipes. This is why I said you may need the makeup wipes or you're going to need a towel, because as this stuff breaks down, you're going to need to wipe it. Okay? These are microfiber towels. Microfiber towels do not pull off your lashes. So you want to use those too. Oh, there's a tool I forgot to make sure that y'all had. Hold on. You want to make sure you also have your tweezers handy to pull them off. So I'm going to just go ahead and try. There we go. So it's already sliding off, and I want you guys to see how there are none of my fake lashes attached. You can see, you will be able to see if you ripped any of your real lashes off when you start to slide them off. They should slide off really easy. You should not struggle to slide them off. There we go. It just feels so good taking these off. And they're just coming right off. I have my eye open just to be able to see if there's any more. But as you guys can see, all this residue of adhesive, this is why you're going to need those makeup wipes. I'm just going to start massaging this to the lashes, and here's the residue coming off of the adhesive. You want to use a really good brand of makeup wipe to get this off. Don't be like me and do some stupid stuff like this. This gonna look real gross, but y'all see that glue right there in my hair, inside of that glue? That's why you don't want to pull. Don't be pulling when you're trying to get this off, because you will pull your natural lashes out with that glue. Just wiggle it in between your fingers and be gentle. Oh. I feel like I just took off a bra. That's how good this feels. Okay, now you're going to take your spoolie, just comb through to see if there's any more residue. Let me zoom y'all in a little bit more. There we go. So now y'all even more personal. Okay, so now you're gonna just take, I want you guys to see, so there's still some residue here in my lashes, and I'm just combing that to see if it'll come out. But see, still some glue there. Okay, so now you're gonna take your cleanser, because when you take off makeup, you don't just use a makeup wipe and then that's it, you wash your face too. So you got to do the same concept with your eyes. You don't want to clog up your pores. So you're going to take some of this and apply this to your brush, and then you're going to clean. You do this with your eye open. Just be very careful. That's why I like the gel. The gel is not super watery. Like, you can wash your lashes and clean through them with your eyes open. That's why I freaking love gel lash cleansers, and I prefer them over the foaming lash cleansers. It just makes cleaning, the concept of cleaning your lashes so much more seamless. And if you want to take this to your lid, you can take this to your lid space too. Love this product so much because you can rinse this off with water, or if you don't have access to water, you just take your towel and then you can just pat it dry. Pat your eye dry, and it's going to remove all the impurities, still absorb it into the towel. This towel is so cute. It's freaking amazing. Okay. If you want to rinse off your brush, wipe off your brush, take your brush. You can comb through your hairs one last time, just to make sure everything looks nice and good. Zoom you guys in one more time so you can see. So there we are. Nice and clean versus this eye that's filthy. We still have our natural lashes, no damage. That's what you are looking for. That's what you want. This is the result that you want. I'm gonna go off camera, remove these lashes real quick, and then I'll be right back. Are my eyes here, free of lashes, free of any extensions, no breakage, no gaps, nice and healthy looking, not irritated, skin's not irritated, eyes not irritated, everything looks good. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.